Hello students, once again welcome to our English class. We are going to learn today what is figure of speech. Before starting with the topic, it is very necessary for you to know what is figurative and what is literal. Figurative and literal, this is the first part in the series of figures of speech. As we know, it is needed to have a very strong roots, to have a good grammar knowledge about figure of speech. So to have a good roots, so that the tree of your figurative speech would grow in a very good condition. Your knowledge will be very helpful if your roots are firm. So let us see, before understanding the figure of speech, what is figurative words and what are literal words. So before understanding figure of speech, let us see what are these two aspects. Let's get started. In English, words can have a two meanings. They can be a literal meaning, or second can be called as figuratives. What is literal? Literal meaning is nothing else but whatever which is being said is called as literal meaning. What are the words being used? That is literal. In simple words, we can say dictionary meaning is the literal words, whereas figurative means drawing the mental picture of whatever is being conveyed. Or we can also say it helps you to convey an idea in a faster and more vivid manner. So again I repeat over here, whatever which is being said or is meant as per the word being used, that is literal meaning, means dictionary meanings of a word. Whereas figurative words are the words that draw a mental picture of whatever is being said to you. This picture conveys the idea faster and more vividly in your mind or your brain. Let us continue further. What is the need of this? Figurative words conveys you the meaning of a sentence in a very easy manner rather than the literal. Let us take an example over here. The bull ran very fast in the race. We come to know a bull ran very fast in a race. As we go by the exact words, we come to know that the bull ran very fast in the race. Now let us see the another example. Bull ran like a cheetah in the race. Here in this sentence, what happens? Your mind starts working with the comparison of a cheetah, where you compare the running of a cheetah with the running of a bull. So here we can say that your mind starts understanding more than the literary words. Your mind starts working more in a figurative manner. As we say, the picture is worth of 1,000 words. So we have used a picture. I think you are now clear with the literal and the figurative words. Let's look into some more example with figurative and literal words. The briefcase weighs a lot. That means the weight of the briefcase is a lot. Let's look how we can write the same sentence with the figurative meaning. The briefcase weighs a ton. Here obviously the briefcase is not of a ton, but we are exaggerating it to make it more interesting and empathetic. Let us look some more example with this. His mind is very cool. When we write the sentence in a literal language, we say that he is a cool man. But whereas in the figurative, when we say his mind is as cool as cucumber, means we are comparing his mind with a cucumber. This we make it to make the reader more clear or more understanding. Now let us see when to use figurative language and when to use literal language. This will make you clear how it is used and when it is used. Let us see with an example. Literal language are used when highly you are writing a technical stuffs such as experiments and other things, as you want to know the readers to understand what exactly you are trying to explain. These are technical words which you can use for clean and clear explanation. Whereas we use figurative language when you want to make your work more interesting and more dramatic, like a story or a poem or any other script which you wish to write. I hope you are now clear when to use the figurative word, when to use the figurative words and when to use the literal word. Now let us revise. We learned what is figurative and what is explanatory. We studied with the help of an example. That is, was firstly we defined how the figurative words are necessary, and secondly we explained it about how to go with it. Now let us see further. Firstly, we understood the meaning, that is what is literally and what is figurative. Literally is, that is whatever is a dictionary meaning, those are literal words, whereas figurative is, that is which helps you to convey the idea more fastly. It helps you to draw an imaginary picture in your mind. Then we studied the examples. These examples helped you. Finally, we used when to use figurative language and literal language. Literal language we use when you use a highly technical languages or technical aspects which makes work more clear to the reader, whereas figurative languages are the language which you use to make something very imaginative. Thanks for watching this. Let us see for the next video about different figurative words. Thank you.